Hi everyone, I am Rajesh and I am having 17 plus years of experience in IT industry and past 10 years onwards I am working on Agile projects. Here you are seeing the certificates I did so far: ISTQB, Agile, Certified Scrum Master, Safe Agilist, and Certified Agile Coach. Today, I'm going to share an overview of Agile methodology. Okay, when it comes to Agile, so Agile not a process, it's a philosophy, a set of values. Maybe so far you may saw in many places what is the definition of Agile or Agile methodology. I would like to share in very simple sentence. Agile methodology is a people focused and results focused approach to software development. So especially focusing on people and result. So that is called Agile methodology. Let's move to Agile manifesto. So overall, if you see, we have four manifestos. Manifesto means you may hear this word, especially at the time of elections. Our politicians release the manifesto that indicates if I win, what I am going to do to the people. So he will bring his manifesto. Each party bring their own manifesto. Like this, Agile has these four manifesto which suggest to follow. The first one, individuals and interactions over processes and tools. Here, processes and tools means in waterfall, we follow there are so many processes and there are so many tools. Agile says you can follow the process and tools, but give more importance to individuals and interaction between the individuals, a developer and tester. Okay, mainly focus on these rather than process and tools. Simple example I would like to share is if we do a project, so in the project based on the small, medium, large, if you take a small project, sometimes easily we see 100 defects. So for 100 defects, if you try to log in a quality center all the 100 defects, you are using a tool, quality center tool, and logging all these defects. Instead of that, what Agile says, why can't you directly interact with the developer who is sitting besides you and ask him, I'm seeing this issue, could you able to fix it? Okay, so which will save lot of time. You no need to open a tool called QC and you no need to raise a defect with one defect, a small spelling mistake. If you want to rise, at least you need to fill 20 to 25 minimum mandatory fields for a single defect. To fix that, just 5 minutes is more than enough for a developer. For that, you are spending half an hour to raise a defect and you need to send again the defect to the developer. by selecting his email ID in the QC and keeping CC to manager. It goes to the developer, and again he will start the status, so fixing, and after fixing again he will change the status and he will send again, it is coming to you, and then you are going to test this all. It's a time taking process. Just imagine for 100 defects how much time it is going to. 50 hours you need to spend extra. So Agile encourages make so many things direct interaction and save a lot of time, because ultimately when we are going to deliver a product, the client is expecting the end result, how quality product is received, not how many defects or huge number of documentation he can't able to open and use all those documentation. Ultimately the client expects good quality product. Okay, that says individuals and interactions over pros and tools. When it comes to working software over comprehensive documentation, as I said, like just now, the client don't expect too much of documentation. How best the product is working, the project is working, on that only he concentrates. So mainly focus on working software rather than too much of documentation. And customer collaboration over contract negotiation. We know, like, if we are not able to deliver the project on time, we have to again bargain with the customer or client. Instead of that, Agile suggests from beginning onwards, be collaborative with customer, start trying to involve him into the project stage by stage, each and every sprint. Going forward, I will let you know what is a sprint as well. So better to involve the customer right from the beginning. So if really a customer is busy, he will provide a person called product owner or business analyst on behalf of him. Okay, so that from beginning onwards, customer will come to know where the project stands step by step. And let's come to the final one, responding to change over following a plan. So basically in waterfall, once we receive the requirements from the client, there is a time called requirements freeze. So after that, there is no change at all. If our project is for 6 months, and once after first month or second month requirements freeze, even though the client expects some change, as per freeze not allowed. If really a mandatory, then a lot of discussion should happen, and with a force has to accept. Whereas Agile suggests responding to change whenever the client is asking, because the client satisfaction is utmost priority. Hence, accept his change and provide what he is expecting. So giving utmost priority to the client or customer. So these are the main Agile manifestos, 4 manifestos. Okay guys, I would like to give a more details, and we are planning a free session. Okay, feel free to join and improve your knowledge.